Insider secrets of a real estate agent. These are things you have to know as a real estate agent because things happen and it's crazy. All things happen when you're a real estate agent. Why? Because you're dealing with people's lives. There's kids, there's anxiety, there's family feuds, there's pressure, there's mortgages, there's moving, there's packing. Could you imagine? I did it for a little while and I admire and acknowledge the patience you have with driving your clients around and leaning into all the troubles they have in life. And this is where you really need to know the insider secrets. I don't know if you know, but some of you agents, you have open houses. Well, how many open houses have you ever had where people come in and things get stolen? You wouldn't believe it, but a lot of times criminals come in. But I don't know if you know this insider secret, but kids are worse. So when you got families coming through your house, watch those little kleptomaniacs there because they can be stuffing stuff in their pocket. But just know that kids are almost as bad sometimes as criminals. I don't mean to say that, but it does happen. Number 2, staging has a very special secret. When it comes to staging, you guys know how to pick all the photos and the carpets and the furniture, and you know exactly what to do. But I want to tell you the insider secret. Make sure you're cooking chocolate chip cookies in the oven when they come in. That's the secret. Because they see that environment and they have that smell, and it makes such a huge difference because when people walk in, they feel right at home. Item number 3, you never want to mention if the house may have had some peculiar hauntings or anything like that. You do need to know disclosures, but all of that haunting stuff is just a story. So make sure that you don't let any of those secrets out of the bag. You've heard those stories, but that is insider secret number 3. Insider secret number 4, you will be on call 24/7. Like I mentioned in the beginning, you're dealing with family, upsets, things will happen. Don't be afraid that you may get a call at midnight saying something's canceled, and that's okay because you're just part of their solution. Insider secret number 5, less is better. Level 5 listening. When you're in the car bringing people, you want to listen to what they're saying. Listen at the highest level so when you speak, you transform the situation. You do not want to just have hearsay. Little slips are going to mess you up. Less is always better. Insider secret number 6, stick with their emotions. Stay attached to them. Stay with their emotions. Give them a feel, felt, found. I understand your feelings. I felt that way when. And I found that the solution is to not be nervous. Take a deep breath. I know this is your first property. Everything's going to be okay. Lean into their emotions and make them feel comfortable with their first purchase. Insider secret number 7, everybody speaks a different language. A lot of times people use terminology. Don't be so gung-ho to use the meanings that you use for words. People have different meanings. Listen to what people are saying and lean in. Ask them what they mean by certain terminology. And that is a deep inside secret. Communication is key for you making that sale. Secret number 8, you need to hustle. You know it, I know it, you're working on commission. There's no draws. You need to hustle, you need to be accountable, you need to time block. You're making 5 to 7% commission. You're sharing it with your broker. You need to put accountability in place and make it happen. You're on commission. Insider secret number 9, you have to be connected to the closing. In a lot of cases, agents would always be at the closing. You have to be attached to the closing. I wouldn't expect you to be at every closing, but you want to call in, make sure you're there. Don't be out on a vacation. Show the importance of that closing to your client. And insider secret number 10, when you complete the sale with your client, send them a thank you letter because the next time you will get another sale. Those are the 10 insider secrets to a real estate agent. Go out there, make sales, knock it out of the park, take a step up, step into real estate investing. If you need any help with that, give us a call. Go to kenvanliew.com and make it a great day.